Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can reset your Google Chrome browser to the default settings. So for example, if you have done some mistakes and you want to reset your Chrome browser, how you can do that? Just click on three dots on the top right corner and then scroll down. Here you can see settings. After that, here you can see on the left side, these are some options. So for example, if you want to reset the appearance options, just you can go here, and after that here you can see reset option. But if you want to reset the Google Chrome browser completely for all the settings, just you can scroll down and here you can see reset button. So now you can simply go here and after that click on restore to the default settings. So just click here, reset settings. In this way you can easily reset your Chrome browser. Here you can see what it will do. Reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. So if you have added some custom shortcuts, then that will be removed. And it will also disable extensions. So extensions that you have installed will be disabled. And also it will delete cookies and other temporary site data. So it will clear entire Google Chrome history. So make sure that you have a backup before deleting it.